Old Magazine House, nestled in the heart of Ganeshgudi, Dandeli, a hidden gem in the Western Ghats. This nature retreat is a dream come true for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Every year, thousands of birds migrate to this enchanting forest from different parts of India, making it a heaven for both resident and migratory species. From the vibrant Indian pitta to the elusive Malabar Trogon, the variety of bird life here is simply breathtaking. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, plays a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. This ancient mountain range is home to more than 500 species of birds, including rare and endemic ones. The dense evergreen forests, rich flora, and flowing streams create the perfect habitat for these winged wonders. At Old Magazine House, birds are the real stars. Whether it's the striking emerald dove, the majestic great hornbill, or the playful sunbirds, every moment spent here is a treat for the senses. Photographers and bird lovers from around the world come to witness this magical spectacle. So, if you're a birding enthusiast or just someone who loves to be surrounded by nature, Ganeshgudi should be on your travel list. Come, experience the harmony of birdsong, the rustling of leaves, and the unparalleled beauty of the Western Ghats.
Unlike most birds that prefer water baths to clean themselves, hornbills sometimes use mud for a different purpose. This mud bath helps them regulate body temperature, repel parasites, and even strengthen their feathers. It's a rare and mesmerizing sight, one that wildlife enthusiasts and photographers have cherished for years. This very spot, near Old Magazine House in Ganeshgudi, Dandeli, was once a paradise for hornbills and a hotspot for wildlife photographers. The lush surroundings and abundant food sources made it a perfect heaven for these magnificent birds. But things have changed. The land has been acquired for the development of a resort, and with it, the natural habitat of the hornbills is disappearing. As a result, these birds have stopped coming here, leaving behind only memories of what once was. The Malabar pied hornbill is a symbol of the rich biodiversity of the Western Ghats. But if we continue down this path, how many more species will be forced to leave their homes? It's a question we need to ask ourselves before it's too late. Hornbills are fascinating birds, known not just for their striking appearance, but also for their diverse diet. These magnificent creatures are primarily frugivorous, meaning they eat a lot of fruits. But that's not all. Let's dive into the details of what makes up a hornbill's diet. This is one of the main reasons you find them at Timber Depot, Dandeli. One of the most important food sources for hornbills is fruit, and figs are at the top of the list. Many species, including the great hornbill, rely heavily on figs for their nutrition. But they don't stop there. But hornbills aren't just fruit eaters. Some hornbills take their diet a step further by hunting small reptiles and amphibians. Lizards, snakes, and frogs are all on the menu. Aside from their diverse eating habits, hornbills play a crucial role in forest ecosystems. As they consume fruits, they also help in seed dispersal. By dropping seeds far from the parent tree, they contribute to forest regeneration and biodiversity. After very good birding at Timber Depot, Dandeli, I came back to Old Magazine House, and my afternoon was pretty good as we spotted orange-headed thrush, red-whiskered bulbul, flame-throated bulbul, oriental magpie robin, rusty-tailed flycatcher, brown-cheeked fulvetta, white-bellied blue flycatcher, and taiga flycatcher. Suddenly, while we were photographing birds, we heard a rhythmic tapping echoes through the forest. When we rushed with our cameras, we were surprised. Meet the Malabar flameback woodpecker, a master forager and a vital guardian of the ecosystem. This little car painter was completely engrossed in its search for insects. This striking bird is least bothered by the presence of photographers. Its sharp beak chisels away at the bark, revealing hidden grubs and larvae, its primary source of food. But beyond its beauty and tireless energy, the Malabar flameback plays a crucial role in the forest. By controlling insect populations, it prevents tree diseases. And as it hollows out tree trunks, it creates nesting spaces for other birds, small mammals, and even reptiles. A true architect of the wild, this woodpecker helps maintain the delicate balance of the ecosystem, ensuring the forest thrives for generations to come. A small bird with a big impact. The Malabar flameback, nature's very own tree doctor. I was lucky enough to find Malabar Trogon, which was actually very active. Then with the help of our naturalist, we came to know that these exotic birds has selected a tree for nesting just in front of our room where we were staying. We found this female cleaning the nest. We got some good pictures and decided to leave them alone and not disturb. This little beautiful bird is blue-capped rock thrush. It just decided to sit in front of us to pose for a picture. I was really lucky to get a chance to photograph great hornbill at Timber Depot, Dandeli. The major difference is that Malabar pied hornbill has a black body with a white belly and tail, with a large yellow beak and a prominent black casque, helmet-like structure on top, whereas great hornbill has a black body with a white neck and belly, a massive yellow and black casque, and a distinctive yellow throat pouch. Old Magazine House is a paradise for birding enthusiasts. Located in Ganeshgudi, near Dandeli, this hidden gem is a heaven for nature lovers and photographers alike. With its dense forests and serene ambience, it provides the perfect backdrop to witness some of the most stunning bird species in India. This place is famous for attracting a wide variety of birds, making it a must-visit destination for bird watchers. Some of the spectacular species you can spot here include the Malabar Trogon, emerald dove, Indian pitta, black-naped monarch, and the vibrant Asian fairy bluebird. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive hornbills or the dazzling scarlet minivet. One of the main attractions here is the bird hide, where you can see flocks of birds up close. Just sit back, relax, and let the birds come to you, offering countless opportunities to capture breathtaking moments. Now, let's talk about how to get here. Old Magazine House is well connected by road and can be reached from several major cities. From Bangalore, it's approximately 480 kilometers away. You can drive down or take a bus to Dandeli and hire a taxi from there. From Pune, it's about 430 kilometers. You can drive via Belgaum or take a train to Londa Junction, the nearest railway station, just 25 kilometers away. From Mumbai, it's around 580 kilometers with road and rail options via Belgaum or Hubli. From Goa, it's a short 150 kilometers drive, making it a perfect weekend getaway. Whether you're a beginner or an expert birder, Old Magazine House promises an unforgettable experience in the lap of nature. So pack your binoculars, cameras, and a sense of adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel See Through Different Lens for more amazing birding destinations. See you in the next adventure.